Have you got drafts or cold air coming round the edge of your window? Well, don't panic, it's a really straightforward fix and you can replace the rubber seals for under £20. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end because I've got some good tips along the way. To replace these seals, normally I'll do it with the window in situ. I'll just open it as wide as it'd go outside and replace the seals. However, for the purpose of this video and filming and to make it clearer, I'm going to take this window out of the frame. All it is 8 screws, 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. And then once it's out, I can show you. So as you can see, we've got 4 screws at the bottom and 4 screws at the top. We'll undo the bottom hinge first and then undo the top hinge. So these windows have a dual seal, one on the window frame itself and one on the actual window. Now you can see these just run around the edge and they're really simple to put in and take out. And once you get them started, you can literally just pull that seal out. So now all you need to do is clean this channel where your new seal is going to go. Over time, these seals become compressed and this window is probably 20 years old and all the filling falls out of it. So the new seal is obviously a lot better, it's bigger and will ensure we get a nice airtight seal. So if you look at the bottom of your window, what you'll normally see is you've got 2 of these holes and these are actual drain holes. So when you've got rain coming down the outside of the window, if it does get into the frame, it will come out of these holes. So when you come to put your rubber seal on, my advice will be to start from the middle, go around the window, around the top and back to the bottom. That way, any water that builds up in here will have a chance of escaping. So now all you need to do is get this T-shaped profile and press into the frame. And as you can see, that just stays into position. When you get to the corner of the frame, bend it round and continue this process all the way around the window. Pay particular attention to the corners as these are the most difficult areas to get right. They may take a few attempts to get to seal and sit properly in the grooves. So the final piece, just line that up, use a sharp knife, cut that through. So now the seal's installed, one final check is just rub your finger around and make sure there's no raised areas of the seal before you put the window back into place. Are you finding this video helpful up to now? Well, do me a favour and help this video reach other people. Do these 3 simple things. Give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment and don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos. So the next thing you need to do is make sure that the frame is nice and clean and we can repeat the same process around this window frame itself and that way we'll get a really good seal. So I'm going to do exactly the same process as we've done on the window. So the only difference putting the seal on the frame is that you need to start from the top, work your way around and end back at the top. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you may struggle in the corners when you come to run this seal round. Now don't worry, just take your time, feed it in and bend it the best you can. Once the window's in position and it's pulled tight, what you'll find is you'll end up with joints like on the screen in the corners. So now all I've got to do is put the window back into position, and all it is 8 screws, the exact reverse of what I've just done.
Ready.
So that's the window seals all replaced, and now we can just try the window. You may find that the window's a bit tighter than how it used to be, and that actually is a good thing. So now it seems like this window's probably back to when it was new with really good seals. So hope you found that video useful. Don't forget, give my channel a subscribe. Thanks for viewing. Leave me a comment and I'll see you next time.